Hey besties, welcome to my channel. My name is Bree and I am the owner of Living Color Cosmetics, a gel polish brand for nail enthusiasts and nail professionals. Today I will be designing a pink ombre nails with white flame nail art. Now, ombres are my jam. I do enjoy doing ombres, but nail art, ugh. I'm going to be challenging myself today. So stay tuned. Let me know if your sis did a good job or if I need some work. So I'm starting off with some color acrylic. This color acrylic is from Valentino. It's called Fly Girl. A little goes a long way when you guys are working with color acrylic, especially if you have like pigmented products. So I'm just working my way up to the cuticle, and then I'm using some cover acrylic. This one is cover pink from Young Nails. It's really nice, and I think that it goes well with the transition. So I'm just making my way up to the cuticle, taking smaller beads just to get some areas that I missed. Okay, so right here, I decided to file off camera just because it was easier. So grabbing my white gel polish from the Living Color collection, and this is called the coldest winter ever. You guys, a side note, I started a whole business in a pandemic. Can you believe it? I can't even believe it sometimes. But if you guys want to check out my products, I'll definitely put my website down below in the description box and show your girl some love and support small business. So right now I am doing some design work. You guys, don't come for me in the comments because I know you guys like to tussle a bit, but you have to give it to me because the end result, when they say trust the process, trust the process.
Cause I told him that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man.
A few moments later.
Industry is cutthroat, I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s.
One thing I like about gel polishes is that it's very forgiving. It's not like regular polish. If you're not familiar, you can get some acetone or nail polish remover and just get rid of the mistake that you made. So right there, as you can see, I made a little boo-boo, did some correction, and we're good to go. So right here, I am connecting my spaces, more going for like a rounder look. I feel that it's giving a more realistic, natural flame vibe, but do whatever you guys feel is comfortable. For me, I think this looks good. And here they are. This is the final look. I think they look pretty good for this being my first time doing some flame designs. Let me know in the chat. Thank you guys for watching. Follow, like, and subscribe and share this video. and I'll see you in my next video.